Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. So, have an appointment at an RV shop just west of Flagstaff on Tuesday. Plan on getting the oil changed in the Ford motor, and nobody wants to touch it because it's an RV. Well, my couple of buddies said, no, you're not paying $180 labor for a 30-minute job that we could do. So I went and bought $75 worth of full synthetic oil for the Ford E450 Triton V10 engine. That was about 75 bucks. Oh, that included a catch container for the oil. They came over from their campsite where we've been having the fires. Sorry about the wind. Die down in a second. And they brought their jacked up the front of the truck, got underneath, drained the oil, put in 6 quarts of new oil, and put on the oil filter, the new one that I bought. Just saved $180 because friends are handy. And now I'm confident I could do it again in the future, but I might have to get a jack, which I plan on anyway. Thing number 2 is I've had so many people look at the RV to try to figure out why the trailer blinker and brake lights are not working. Everybody said it wasn't a fuse. Fuse are good. Something else. Well, when they took a look at it, they said, let's just try changing that fuse that does that with another good one, even though that looked good. Sure enough, they switched it. Trailer, brake lights, and blinkers are working now. So now my cigarette lighter charger doesn't work, but that's the fuse we borrowed from that I'll get in town in a few days. What else? Bathroom sink was barely flowing. Turns out, just like in your house, you've got these little filters. Don't even know if you could see that. Little tiny filter, which looks okay, but apparently it was clogged because we took it out. Now the bathroom sink works fine. So the only issue I have is my door that you can see open. I let it in the wind too much and it's damaged and bent the little hinges that it's on. And that's going to be a major deal, and we are going to let the RV company probably charge me a ton of money to fix that. But that's the one thing that needs to be done. And also, I'm going to fix tomorrow the awning, and I'll bring you with me as I tape up and do a little patch on the awning. I love it when a plane comes together. And of course, this is who was supervising the whole time. Why do you gotta come over when I start filming you? You know I'm talking about you, huh? Okay, the camera's going crazy trying to follow you. You're making me a little seasick. What do you say, Ninja? Huh? See the mousies? Oh. Anyway, folks. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Give this a thumbs up like as well.